Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to our channel. Images play a crucial role in our digital lives, from social media posts to presentations, and knowing how to edit them quickly and easily can enhance your visual content game. So, in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to edit images directly within Microsoft Edge. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how you can edit an image using Microsoft Edge. Open the image you want to edit using Microsoft Edge. Hover over the button at the top right corner of the image, then click on Settings, which is the three dots button. Click on Edit Image. Here in the toolbar, you'll find an array of editing tools that allow you to enhance, crop, add filters, or add markup to the image. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save and export your masterpiece. Thank you for tuning into our video. If you found it informative and enjoyable, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Your support means the world to us.